Expensify Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Expensify app are added to the description below. Expensify is a budgeting and expense management app primarily designed for business travelers, freelancers, and small business owners who need to track receipts, manage reimbursements, and keep business expenses organized. While it can also work for personal budgeting, its strongest features focus on automating expense reporting and simplifying tax season for anyone managing professional finances. One of Expensify's core strengths is its Smart Scan feature, which allows you to snap a picture of a receipt, and the app automatically extracts key details like date, amount, and merchant. This eliminates manual data entry and speeds up expense tracking significantly. Expensify also supports direct syncing with credit cards and bank accounts, so transactions are automatically imported into your expense reports. You can set up customizable categories and tags, allowing you to sort expenses by project, client, or type of spending. This is particularly useful for freelancers who need to bill expenses back to clients, or for business owners who need to allocate spending across multiple departments or teams. Expensify also offers tools to track mileage, which is ideal for business travelers who want to capture every deductible expense. For teams and companies, Expensify supports approval workflows, meaning employees can submit expenses directly through the app, and managers can review and approve with just a few taps. Integration with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite makes it easy to sync expense data directly into your financial records. Security is also strong, with features like multi-factor authentication and encrypted data storage to protect sensitive financial information. While Expensify can be used for personal budgeting, it's most valuable for people managing business finances or self-employed professionals who need reliable tools for expense tracking and tax preparation. It's available with both free and paid plans, with the free version suitable for basic expense tracking and the paid versions adding advanced reporting, team management, and integration features. Overall, Expensify is a powerful tool if you want to streamline expense management, whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or part of a small business team. Check the links in the description if you want to explore it for your own budgeting and expense needs.